I heard, I don't know how relevant it is for you. This is a company I heard. This is a startup which is not funded by anyone. It's just maintained by a few IM students, and they make these financial news is a little simpler and send it to individuals, and they're collecting data. Similarly, you can start with it initially for you, okay, and you can ask people to subscribe. You just need this basic website, and what kind of emailers, let me show you, although I don't read them because I'm it really, yeah, like this one. I just came across a couple of days back with it, and see. So they just send these kind of newsletters, which is easy to understand for a normal person. Okay, because the financial news are very complex for me, for most of the people. Okay, so how to understand it better? So as you understand financial news, you understand you are a content writer, so you can write in a simple language where people can understand, and once people start understanding, people will follow you. That makes a way for you as well as an individual. You can then charge for this, like 50 rupees a month. It's not a very huge amount for anyone to pay, but if 1 lakh people pay you 50 rupees a month, it's a huge lump sum amount. Even I say not 50 lakh, 10,000 people will pay you. It's 5 lakh rupees a month. It's a
Yeah.
huge amount. Okay, for that, what you have to do is you have to use your earlier experience, skill set, get the news and simplify it and send to your users.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought to share with you because I came across like couple of days back, somebody told me to have a look at this model and help these guys. Although they are IIMs, but they don't and they are not so tuned in with digital. So I thought to help them out.
Yeah, it is a good.
So Danshu, you can start with it. This kind of blog, this kind of website, and it can help you a lot better. Create your own space.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Welcome. Uh, Next with us is Sugosh. Sugosh M. Kunj.
Uh,
I hope I have pronounced your name
is it,
correctly.
yes, it's perfect. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
So hi, I'm like basically an electronic student at 𝐵ETS Goa.
Can you a little louder, please?
Yeah, sure, sir. I'm basically an electronic student at 𝐵ETS Goa currently, and
Okay.
I've been heavily involved with content writing and photography in my designing skills.
Okay.
And like recently, I've been keenly interested in web development and digital marketing to start off with freelancing and all in
Okay.
my internships.
Okay.
So basically, I'm looking forward to this course so as to get like a deeper understanding of this field and of the industry.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, this is a good course to start with and then build your personal experience. And okay. So welcome you all, and I hope everyone has given their introduction. And I will, because couple of people are from financial background, a couple of people are from technical background, so I will give more examples related to it and give you some examples which are really necessary to make you understand different things. So let's start with our course. And so the first module is digital marketing overview. This module is critically very important when I talk about, because most of the times what happens is that people know basics of social media marketing, basics of SEO, basics of Google ads running, and some other basics. Okay, but they don't understand the complete loop. So what happens? how brands become big brands and they generate huge revenues is not just because they are good at SEO or they are good at AdWords or they are good at social media. They have an overall strategy, how the whole scenario works, and a complete service. So whenever they are launching a new product, they know which channel to use, how to use, what to do, and what not to do. Okay, so you have to have a complete 360-degree view about digital marketing. It's not just you know basics of few things and start. No, that's not the way. Unless and until you don't have an overview, you meant to be successful in generating a revenue of from spending 1 lakh rupees and generate a revenue of 5 lakh. But if you know the overall view around it, then you might generate it 20x as well. Okay, because that market has a possibility. So how to do that and what are the methods along with basics, the advanced techniques that you will get to know here. Okay, overall process, I will tell you how digital marketing process works, what are the aspects of it, different aspects of it. And once you know each and every aspect of it, then it is easier for you to before I go ahead, any question anyone has, please let me know before I start. You can type into the chat box if you have any question. You can unmute. In case you don't have any question, you can press 2 into the chat box so that I can take the things ahead. So Danshu has no questions. So okay. So let me go ahead. I believe no one has any question. I'm muting you, Ranjana. Reason. Okay, there was a bit of disturbance coming from your end. It's a request to everyone that you can, if you're not talking to me or to other participants, it would be great that if you keep your voice mic turn off. So Ghosh has what these slides we shared on the WhatsApp group. I will send it to the team and team will send it to you, the concerned team regarding the course. Okay. Aditya says, hi, it would be great if you can cover things faster and sending these messages one. Okay, sure. Okay, so let me go ahead. So what is the outcome of this course? What I have planned is that you should be able not to just track and monitor the digital marketing performance, but you can plan, conceptualize, and implement. So it's both three things you will learn, how to plan it primarily, then after planning, conceptualizing the concept, and then ultimately implementing it. So you should know all the three things by yourself. And once you know it, then you will be able to a successful marketer, digital marketer. So let's go ahead and understand the digital marketing process. So the first thing, what is digital marketing? As everyone knows, digital marketing is primarily doing marketing using a digital device like computers, tablet, mobile phones. Okay. So if you're marketing through these devices where there is an internet or there is no internet, then also it will known as digital marketing. For example, scanning of QR code, it's a printed scan code, but it is a digital code which is scanned by a digital device. So it's a form of digital marketing, no, not a form of offline marketing. SMS is also a digital form of marketing. Email is also, apart from all the regular channels of digital marketing. The most important thing is the process. So digital marketing or marketing has 6 processes primarily, and each one of us should understand these processes. Once we know about these processes, it helps, it improves the overall running of any campaign, any planning you are doing for any product launch or running in a long time. So you should know all these 6 elements of the digital marketing process. The names itself define a lot of things in the process. The first process is visibility. Second is bringing targeted traffic. Third is engagement. Fourth is conversion. Fifth is measurement and success written.